Badash. I'm at the Clever Private School at grade 5. Let's start this game. Um, 4 plus 7, it's equal to 7. 7 plus 5, it's equal to 4 plus 16 is equal to 4 plus 14. 4 plus 1, 5, it's 70 plus 2. 1 plus 6, it's equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 50. Bye.